What's the meaning of arrow? Arrow. Arrow.
Arrow. Arrow. Arrow is a noun that refers to a pointed projectile weapon that is shot from a bow or crossbow. The arrowhead is usually made of metal and the shaft may be made of wood or other materials. Arrows are typically used for hunting, sport, or warfare. They can also be used metaphorically to represent speed, direction, or progress. Overall, an arrow is an object designed to be propelled forward with precision and accuracy, typically by a bow or crossbow, and used for a variety of purposes.